bakers, and welcome to today's Tuesday 10 at 10. At Bakerpedia, we often get questions about emulsifiers and why they are still used in the baking industry. Well, let's take a quick look at their function. Emulsifiers have both a water-loving end and a fat-loving end. They are used in water-oil emulsions to prevent their immiscibility and to maintain these systems' stability. In the baking industry, emulsifiers are used frequently, but surprisingly, not everyone knows their functionality. Emulsifiers are mythologized, expected to strengthen gluten network and improve structure. But do they really do the work to create softer and better products like we think they should? To explain more in detail, here is a video Bakerpedia has produced. If you want to learn more about emulsifiers and how to use them in different applications, click the link in the description below to visit our Baker Academy for more training information.
What is an emulsifier? An emulsifier is a substance that acts as a stabilizer. In systems like oil and water, emulsifiers stabilize two or more immiscible compounds. Commonly added to bakery goods, including bread, cake, and cookies, emulsifiers can be plant or animal-based or commercially produced. There are two types of emulsions: water in oil, for example butter, and oil in water, for example milk. What is the function of emulsifiers in baked goods? The presence of emulsifiers in high-volume baking is essential to keeping the quality of baked goods consistent throughout the entire process. How do they impact different products? In bread, emulsifiers help: higher hydration, dough strengthening, improve flexibility for machinability, provide a finer and softer crumb, improve crumb uniformity, offer better resilience at the slicer, extend shelf life. In frosting, emulsifiers help: improve stability to temperature fluctuations, prevent oil from seeping out over the product's shelf life, prevent crystal formations, provide sharper designs with better edges, offer a better mouthfeel and texture. In cookies, emulsifiers help: offer better machinability, control cookie spread, improve resilience, becoming less crumbly, reduce fracturability, maintain texture over shelf life. In cakes, emulsifiers help: keep a consistent specific gravity, improve tolerance to processing, prevent coalescence of cells and structural collapse, produce a uniform cell structure, create a higher volume. In pastries, emulsifiers help: give better flexibility and machinability to the shortening, resulting in better volume for an improved flakiness, prevent water migration and provide a better crisp. What's the best way to replace an emulsifier? Since the emulsifier's main function is to stabilize the food system, any ingredient that can accomplish this function has the potential to replace a specific emulsifier. Transglutaminase and hydrocolloids are common emulsifier alternatives because they are more label-friendly. Plant proteins, which can provide emulsifying properties, are also used to substitute emulsifiers. Common emulsifier replacements: enzymes, for example phospholipase, transglutaminases. Works on fats and protein molecules to improve dough texture, volume, and gas retention. They do this by catalyzing protein or peptide bonds for polymerization. Starch, for example modified corn or wheat starch. Modified or pre-gelatinized starch granules can absorb water at a lower temperature and swell to increase the viscosity of dough or batter. An increased viscosity stabilizes the food system. Protein, for example wheat gluten, whey protein, egg whites, soy isolates. Protein is mainly responsible for strength, water holding, foaming, flavor, and color of bakery goods. It is the building block of any food system. Hydrocolloids, for example carboxymethylcellulose, carrageenan, xanthan gum. Hydrocolloids are not really emulsifiers due to lacking of lipophilic and hydrophilic linkage in the structure. Hydrocolloids molecules cannot flexibly cover the interfaces on oil-water mixtures quickly to create a stable emulsion because of large molecules and complex size. Hydrocolloids can still functionalize as emulsifiers by increasing the viscosity of water surface or by interaction with surface active substances. Some well-known hydrocolloids include gum arabic, methylcellulose, MC, hydroxypropylmethylcellulose, HPMC, and propylene glycol alginate, PGA. To learn about emulsifiers commonly used in baking and get answers to common emulsifier replacement questions, download the Emulsifier Replacement Baker paper on the Baker Academy via the link in the description below. Learn more about all things baking by signing up for our newsletter. Until next time, bakers. At Bakerpedia, we're here on a need-to-know basis.